Hey, this is Dan from Meraki. My car's broken down, so I'm gonna stay in all weekend making Chinese food. Chinese pancakes on 1, 2, 3. We will need 2 green onions, a cup of water, 2 cups of flour, sesame seeds, soy sauce. I'm gonna butcher this. Chu chow style chili oil, vegetable oil as needed, and some sesame oil. For this simple but delicious recipe, we're going to start by pouring our flour into a metal bowl and then slowly pouring in our 1 cup of boiling water as we stir. As we stir, we're going to notice that the dough doesn't completely come together yet. And if you need to, you can add just tablespoons of water to make it come together. As you can see here, mine is still broken apart, but if I push down on it just a little bit, it comes together. So this is perfect. I'm just going to mop up all the rest of the flour, and then we're going to remove it from the bowl and we're going to start kneading. For a commoner like you, it should take about 5 minutes. For an awesome guy like me, 10 seconds. Don't worry, you'll get there one day. One day far, far away. The end product should look smooth and silky. Beautiful, no? Well, we're going to rest it now for 45 minutes under a damp cloth. After it's got its beauty sleep, we're going to roll it into a tube so we can cut it evenly. What the hell? Yeah, anyway, we're going to mark it first, and then we're going to cut through. We're going to take one of our segments, we're going to crush it down, and then we're going to roll it into a 7 to 8 inch disc and lightly brush with some sesame oil. It's just going to be a light layer. Then we're going to roll it up and tuck the ends in. Wipe down the counter, because if you got a little bit of oil all over the place, this thing is not going to roll properly. So we wipe it down, and then we're going to roll it again into another 7 or 8 inch disc. And again, we're going to brush it with a thin layer of sesame oil, and we are going to add our green onion. After adding our green onion, we're going to sprinkle on some sesame seeds, and then again we're going to roll it up one final time and then tuck in the ends and roll it into a 7 to 8 inch disc, and then we're going to let it rest on a plate. If you screw up, you can just kind of pinch it back together to make sure you got that nice round look. Obviously, I did that just to show you guys how to fix it, you know, because I'm good to you. Remember me when you win the lottery or something, you know? You throw 10% my way, you know? Try to make sure it's even. This one's not really even, but I don't know, perfection and imperfection, I suppose. Again, just to show you. We add our oil to our frying pan, heat it up, and then we're going to drop our pancakes in the pan for 2 minutes each side. After 2 minutes, we're just going to give her a little flip, and then we're going to cook on the other side for, again, 2 minutes. You'll see the top get nice and golden brown. We bring our pancake to the cutting board, and we're going to cut it into as many pieces as we want. Here's a stupid fact. The pizza cutter was invented by Mr. Morgan of North Carolina, and the patent was submitted in 1892 as a one-handed roller blade. Enjoy that. Now for the dipping sauce. This was shown to me by someone special. We're going to put in some of the chu chow style chili oil, which is amazing. This stuff tastes so goddamn good. We're gonna add some soy sauce, and we're gonna add some lemon in place of the rice wine vinegar. I don't know what it is, but it just tastes much better. To me anyway. Maybe you make it better. Let me know. And give her a little stir. And there you go. Serve it with your pancakes. These are amazing. I hope you really enjoy this recipe. Take care.